सबसे पहले आप हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करें।
Hello friends, myself Mamta Dubey. I am pursuing CS from a very well-known and efficient institute, Excel, the Center of Excellence. It is one of the best institutes with excellent faculties who are very much specialized and focused. They teach in a very good manner to every student. They clear each and every doubts of the student, although they also keep a doubt session after the classes so that those students who are hesitating of asking the question in front of other students, they can clear after the classes. Coming to this institute is one of my best decision. Here even a student of different stream can easily able to understand the concept. I must say, if you are tired of repeating unsuccessful attempt in CA, CS and CMA, join into very easy to understand the cost effective digital market industry. Excel Educational Institute having a #1 faculty with excellent teaching and motivating environment. Every year this institute has all India ranker. I thank this institute for everything. Thank you.
Teaching is a profession that creates all other profession. With this, greetings to all. This is Devendra Patnaik, pursuing CS Foundation. I am from Raigad. Excel Educational Institute. Just no need of introduction. The name itself is enough. I like very much in this institute is the teachers and the expert faculties it has. Starting from first of our teachers, Abhishek sir. I like him very much is about the computation of tax which he teaches us. Second, Lavish sir, his way of teaching and his cool mindedness what he has. Third, coming to Karni Bothra sir, his unique way of teaching and making us understand the company law, which is the main and foremost element of CS. Now, at last, BL Agrawal sir, the manager of all, who manages everyone and every activity in this institution. He is a person with specific and many other qualities. At last, I would like to say that I am very privileged being a student of this institution, and I would like to thank all the teachers who contribute to my success in the near future. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, myself Pooja Jaiswal. I secured 11th All India rank and I am currently pursuing CS Executive. Today I am here to share my coaching experience in Excel Institute. Friends, first of all I would like to tell you that I have taken my foundation coaching from here only, and the Excel Institute is really an amazing institute. The faculty over here is really fabulous, and they know and the teachers over here exactly know how to tackle the problems. They know how they have to deal with every student, and they know how the problems of every student need to be solved. The notes provided here are really helpful, and they are based on exam point of view, which you can prefer at the time of exam. So at last I would like to say that Excel is 101% a preferable institute when you are pursuing and doing any professional course. Thank you.
A fine greetings to all the viewers. This is Sanskar Goyal from Chandrapur. I am pursuing CS Executive from Excel Education Institute. The Excel Education Institute is the best institute as my knowledge. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा प्रिफरेबल है. बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ आते हैं, नॉलेज गेन करते हैं, और प्रोफेशनल कोर्स है तो हम लोग को प्रोफेशनलिज्म की और हर प्रोफेशनल को एक एक्स्ट्रा क्वालिटी ऑफ नॉलेज चाहिए होती है जो हम एक्सेल से इजीली पा सकते हैं. मैंने ऑलरेडी CS फाउंडेशन यहीं से किया हुआ है, और CS फाउंडेशन में 25 AIR लाया है इन दिसंबर 17 एग्ज़ाम. एंड इसका मैं टोटली क्रेडिट जो देना चाहूँगा पूरे एक्सेल को ही देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि एक्सेल ने मुझे गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ नोट्स प्रोवाइड किया, टीचर फैकल्टीज ने गुड नॉलेज प्रोवाइड की, जिसके कारण मैं इजीली अपने मार्क्स स्कोर कर पाया और आज AIR की एक पोजीशन ले चुका हूँ. ये पोजीशन मेरी पूरी एवर लाइफ मेरे को एक बोलने की मौका हम सोसाइटी में, ये नॉलेज मुझे एक्सेल से ही मिला है. और मैं जो भी मेरे वीडियोस को देख रहे हैं ऑल व्यूअर्स को मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपको प्रोफेशनलिज्म लानी है, अपने अंदर कुछ गुड क्वालिटी अचीव करना है जिससे आप एडमायर हो सोसाइटी में, तो मैं आपको ये बोलूँगा कि आप एक्सेल एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट को प्रीफर करो अगर आप एक प्रोफेशनल कोर्स करना चाहते हैं तो. क्योंकि प्रोफेशनल कोर्स नॉलेजेबल होना चाहिए, और आपको उस फील्ड की हर एक नॉलेज होनी चाहिए। आप बुकिश लैंग्वेज से ही हर कुछ नहीं कर सकते। जैसे कि एक्सेल हमको बहुत सारे एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट्स प्रोवाइड करता है, लाइक पर्सनल क्लास, डाउट सेशन क्लासेस, वीकली टेस्ट। वीकली टेस्ट हम इस प्रकार से देते हैं जैसे हम कोई फाइनल एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, और फाइनल एग्जाम देने की वजह से आज हमारे हर साल हमारी एक्सेल एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट से बहुत ज़्यादा ऑल इंडिया रैंकर्स अचीव करते हैं। तो मैं एट लास्ट यही बोलना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपको अपने अंदर प्रोफेशनलिज्म लानी है, आपको CS ईजिली क्रैक करनी है, तो आपको एक्सेल एजुकेशन प्रेफर करना चाहिए। इट इज़ नॉट ओनली लिमिटेड अप टू प्रोवाइडिंग एजुकेशन इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूट, इंस्टीट्यूट इट ऑल अबाउट creating champion for the near future. That's all. Thank you.
Hi friends, myself Sejal Jain. I scored 24th rank in foundation. All credit goes to Excel. No doubt, Excel Education Institute is the best institute. One of the best thing which I like about Excel is that their notes. The notes which is provided by our institute is best. It is so easy to be understood even by a layman. I am proud of my Excel Education Institute because teaching as a main element, priority is also given to other activities like functions, seminars, picnics which motivate us. I like to conclude my matter by delivering a token of gratitude to Excel Education staff. Thank you.
Greetings to all. This is Anjali Rajgupta from Bhilai, currently pursuing CS Executive. Excel Educational Institute is one of the most best institute for pursuing professional courses like CA, CS, CMA. Here I came to know that hard work beats talent. Here teachers are well qualified and experienced. The efforts made by teachers are highly appreciable. They teach in such a good way that we retain the topic for a very long time. I would like to thank all the teachers and other supporting staffs for their nature and inclination towards me. I would like to invite other students to join Excel Academy for getting bigger success. Thank you.